Welcome on board. Here in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your first campaign. So first of all, you need to go to the account section. Here you would be connecting your LinkedIn account, or if you need to set up your email account as well, click on add new button, hit LinkedIn, put in your email address, password, and select your desired country, and then hit the connect button. It will be sending you a pin on your email address, phone number, or from authenticator app. You can put on the pin and your account gets connected. Once you're done with that, you need to go to either free LinkedIn account or sales navigator. Here you do a quick search. Like I have a quick search, I'm looking for people who are in second or third degree headcount, looking for CEOs or head of sales in insurance industry and in the US. Once you're done with the search, either on the free LinkedIn account or recruiter or sales navigator, come back to Linkedcamp, hit the new campaign button on the top. Here you will select flow campaign. Once that is done, here you put on your, here you select your LinkedIn account. If you have email, you can select your email account as well. Put on the title, test campaign, put on the URL here. You can make use of, we have provided some of the existing or predefined flows as well, or you can create your new one. So I will hit this one. Here I have engagement on the top. So first of all, it will filter down the leads. After that, in the first step, it will do the engagement. So here engagement, I'm liking one post, random post. Then I'm checking if the profile has an open email. If the profile has an open email, then send an email. Here I have the messaging. In case of no open email, send them the connect request with this message. Then after email or the connect, I'm checking for if replied, where we are waiting for 3 days. If the person do not respond within 3 days, then send another follow-up message or email. And here in this check section, I'm checking for if the person got connected. So if the person do not get connected within 6 days, then send them a first follow-up message. If they got connected, then send them first follow-up message. If they do not get connected, we are not doing anything over here. So here is the first follow-up message with this image. Here is the messaging. You can also make use of all these variable: first name, last name, designation, location, company name, and industry. And you can also send attachments like PDF documents, images, GIFs, and if you have integration with Hyperize, then you can send hyper personalized images over here as well. And once you're done with that, I have another follow-up message, the last follow-up message, and after that we have everything connected with the goal. So all the nodes which are not connected with anything, they needs to get connected with the goal. Here we have list of triggers: if replied, if connected, if post like, if email open, if email exists. So you can make use of all these different triggers in your sequence. Then we have the email node as well. So if you would like to send emails, you can connect email node and compose your messaging over here. You can also hit this, and you can make use signature or make use of any placeholder over here. And then we have the follow option. We have the task option. To follow is just to send invites to your first degree connection to follow your company page. Then we have a task option, engagement, and the messaging, and the connect is already there. Once you're done with that, you have the option, if you do not use if replied over here, then you can turn this on: pause prospect as soon as the reply is detected. Then check for duplicates, premium profiles. If you would like to send invites through the sales navigator, in case you have a sales navigator account, then you can turn this on to send all the invites and the messages from the sales navigator. In that specific case, everything will appear in your sales navigator inbox. Otherwise, it appears in your free LinkedIn account inbox. Then I can turn on, like, I want to add the leads to my CRM HubSpot. I would like to send the detail when it's found, or when it's connected, or when it reply. I want to send when the person got connected. Once you're done with that, just hit save and start button. Once you're done with that, your campaign gets started. Now we will go back to the account section, where we will quickly look into the daily limits. So we would like to increase or decrease the daily limits for your LinkedIn account, and same goes for in case of email. You can manage the daily limits for your email account as well. And for the emails, you can like turn on GDPR compliance to either send emails to personal email addresses or the business one only. That's it. Once you're, first of all, now it will filter down the data, and after that it will start executing the sequence. You can make use of all bunch of options we have over here. You can see history, edit campaign, update schedule, clone, archive, campaign, delete, or copy the URL as well. That's pretty much it to get started, and after that you can like have a quick look into all the different features we have in the system. Thank you.